Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into JLL account. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your JLL account. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, let's tap in that. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in JLL login and hit enter. And now make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And all you gotta do is fill in those empty fields. Let's type in JLL username at this field, and at the bottom you can type in your password. And if you want this site to remember your user ID, you can tap in the square box and it will be marked. Or you can leave it like that. Let's leave it like that for now. And at the second box you can see it's written like I'm a client of JLL and I'm using my own corporate credentials to access JLL applications. So if you don't want any issue and if you want this site to think like you're using your own corporate credentials, like you want like that, you can tap in there and there comes the option of single sign-on. Yeah, you can do like that, or let's leave it like that for now, and that's it. Now all you gotta do is hit that sign in button and you'll be logged in or signed into your JLL account. If you have any trouble regarding the password, you want the password to unlock or reset, you can tap in that option. You can either unlock or reset by tapping in the option right there. And if you have a client account, you can also reset your password tapping in that reset password option. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.